Okay, the Cricut cutting machine is pretty popular, and you've probably asked yourself, is it really worth it? Should you buy it? Let's talk. Hi, I'm Angel. I share everything lifestyle on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. Okay, so let's talk about the Cricut. So the Cricut is the ultimate cutting machine. It can cut so many materials. I talked about a lot of that in my previous videos that you guys can check out as well. So here's some questions to ask yourself. Do you like personalized gifts? Do you like DIY projects, home decor, organizing? If you like any of the above, you would definitely love the Cricut. Now, I have the Cricut Explore Air 2. And let me just tell you, I love this machine, and that is coming from deep in my heart, okay? I love the machine. The Cricut opens up the door for so many creative opportunities. I personally enjoy using it like a lot. I honestly did not know I would love it this much. One thing I really love about it is the fact that I can make customized products. Yeah. I can make my own stuff where nobody will have something like it. I can make my own little mug with my son's name on it. I also have made me blankets, and in addition, I have made Ace so many things, you guys. Like for his first birthday, I made him this cute little customized outfit. It was so cute, and people were like, where did you get that? Who did that for you? How did you get that customized? And I'm like, with my Cricut, okay? I also made him a Valentine's outfit. It's just amazing because instead of going to go buy all of these customized projects, which can run you expensive, I just used my Cricut. And let me tell you guys the story. The first time that I was introduced to the Cricut was when she was actually one of my coaches. She sent me 2 gifts for Ace when I was pregnant, and they were 2 little really cute outfits that one had his name on it and the other one was just a really cute saying, and I fell in love. Oh my god, those gifts were 2 items that were at the top of our list that we absolutely loved. I mean, we fell out over that, and I was like, oh my god, like, did you really go get these customized for Ace? And she was like, no, I just used my Cricut maker. And I was like, really? That to me was one of the most special gifts we have received for Ace. And that's when I was first introduced to the Cricut. And ever since I've had mine, being able to customize gifts also has been a game changer, okay? So I've actually customized some gifts, and some were from my mom, and one was a sweatshirt that I did, and it had like Ace's name on it. It was like Ace's grandma. And so guys, customized sweatshirts can run you so expensive if you're getting them from shops and boutiques. But with the Cricut, I spent all of $10 on the sweatshirt, and I made it with my Cricut. So think about all the customized or personalized gifts that you can do for people, especially over the holidays, and how much money you will save in the long run. I've made her travel mugs. I've made so many different things because you can buy stuff in bulks. Let's say you want to give everybody a customized tumbler. You can just pick up you a pack of tumblers, and guess what? You can make each person, each relative, each friend's gifts unique and make it tailored to them, and they will feel so special, okay? And you will easily save so much money in the long run. I think that's a wonderful way to show someone how much you care and how special they are, just giving them a customized or personalized gift. And so that Cricut comes in super handy for that. So all the special occasions from Mother's Day, Father's Day, holidays, Christmas, and Valentine's Day, it's just so many ways to show someone how much you care for them through a specialized gift, whether it's cups or mugs or candles or blankets, and the list goes on and on. It's so many different, a variety of things that you can customize and make unique gifts for with your Cricut. Another thing you can do, you can also make customized gifts for teachers. Isn't that like the greatest thing ever? You want to surprise your child's teacher with a cute little customized gift? Use your Cricut. In addition, another use I really love to do with my Cricut is using it for organizing. So you can print out labels, whether temporary or permanent labels, with your Cricut. And I've organized so many different things in my home. Yeah, of course, we all know you can buy labels online, but let me tell you, it's sometimes those packets just doesn't have all the labels that you need. But with your Cricut, you can make sure to have any label that you need. You can name it whatever you want. You can use the font you like. Let's say you like cursive writing or italic style writing, or, you know, bold letters. You can use whatever font you want, and you can make sure you have a label for every single thing that you need, which I really love because I don't like to name my stuff what other people name theirs all the time. Like sometimes they're missing different labels, and so with your Cricut you can literally personalize all of your labels to fit your needs and your goals. In addition, you always can do DIY projects, whether it's home decor or to different things around the home. It's so many things you can do with your maker as far as DIY and crafting. Also, now here's a game changer too, and I know a lot of people do this. You can make it a business crafting out with your Cricut. There's so many people doing it on Etsy and Shopify and so many different ways. You can create your own unique style gifts with your Cricut maker and make a business out of it, you know. And so that's also a great side hustle if you want to start working from home. That's something you can also look into. I put up a TikTok with my organizers. I think it was my bobby pins and my hair pins, and folks were like, where did you get those organizers? And I'm like, you can't buy it because I actually made it with my Cricut in a jar. So, but if I wanted to get into business of selling something like that, which is unique or personalized style, you can definitely do that. So that's also an option for you to do with your Cricut. So if you ask me, is it worth it and should you buy it? My answer is, if any of those things speak to you, I definitely say it's worth it and you should buy it. I absolutely love it, and in my opinion and for me, I absolutely think the cost is justified, and you will definitely get your money out of it. Trust me when I tell you, you definitely will. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment below. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.